The Black Hole Interactive Calculator computes critical parameters for black holes, including event horizons, gravitational effects, and relativistic phenomena. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Calculate Schwarzschild Radius from Mass, Calculate Mass from Schwarzschild Radius, Calculate Gravitational Time Dilation, Calculate Photon Sphere and ISCO Properties, Calculate Tidal Forces, or Calculate Hawking Temperature and Evaporation Time. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Schwarzschild Radius from Mass. The input fields are black hole mass in solar masses, Schwarzschild radius in kilometers, distance from center in kilometers, and object height in meters. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for black hole mass solar masses, 29.53 for Schwarzschild radius kilometers, 100 for distance from center kilometers, and 2 for object height meters. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. The Schwarzschild radius is 29.541 kilometers, which defines the event horizon boundary. Surface gravity at event horizon is 1.521 times 10 to the 12 meters per second squared, an immense gravitational acceleration. The photon sphere radius is 44.312 kilometers, where light orbits the black hole. The ISCO radius, or innermost stable circular orbit, is 88.624 kilometers, the closest stable orbit possible. Finally, the event horizon circumference measures 185.613 kilometers. This calculator provides essential parameters for analyzing black hole physics and orbital mechanics. Find the link in the description below.